Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDJPY today analysis. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we got? Okay, so this is it, this is it, this is it, right? So we are uptrend. Okay, breakout has happened in the weekly time frame, and it means a lot because last time it happened was in October 2024. You can see here. Okay, so these weekly candles, I told you on this candle, this is your weekly again. Okay, on 14 July, so July, and now we're in September. So these candles which you see, this zigzag zigzag zigzag, okay, during last couple of months, what really happened is, I told you in my previous videos, previously in the Vampire Diaries. Okay, so I told you in these during these times in last couple of months, we in USDJPY, I told you because both economies are fucked up right now. US economy and Japanese economy, both economies were dead or are not doing well. That is why last 2 months for USDJPY were like zigzag zigzag zigzag. Okay, point being is neither Japanese yen was able to dominate dollar, neither dollar was able to dominate this yen. Okay, but now since the dollar is starting to come in the uptrend, so we have a clear breakout in last couple of weeks. Do you understand the point? It tried to break out here in July, it couldn't happen because both economies were dead. Now dollar is going up, so we have a bullish breakout. Coming back to the daily chart, okay, so no problem, pull back and then only we go along. Okay, so right now, if you want to counter trade, look for shorts if you get the red candle. Coming back to 4 hour, again, it's a huge uptrend. You can't enter long right now. I mean, you can if you want to, if you can survive drawdown. Okay, otherwise, as per the theory, as per the textbook, you have to wait for the pullback in 4 hour, then only you go long after the engulfing blue candle. That's USDJPY. You need to know what I just told you about weekly chart, otherwise you will never understand. Okay, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, join the brokers through my link, join Telegram for free below my video. Do all of this for whatever you can. Otherwise, I will stop doing what I'm doing. Thank you. Take care.